finish up with closing out the deep water pelagic and offshore benthic zone, the fish community objectives that relate to this area, specifically on lake trout, whitefish, increasing prey fish diversity. You just heard the talk on deep water cisco reintroduction and control of sea lamprey. For lake trout, from a management perspective, we're about to submit to the commission a revised lake trout management plan. Very happy to get that in, and as most of you know, Allegheny National Fish Hatchery is back online, so lake trout supply for the lower Great Lakes is quite stable now for the future. That plan will call for maximizing the number of strains, different brood stocks we'd like to see the feds hold on to increase the diversity of lake trout stocked into Lake Ontario. We also are calling for an increase in the number of yearling lake trout stocked into New York waters from 500,000 a year to 800,000. We just mentioned this deep water cisco stocking, and while sea lamprey targets are above for adult spawning phase sea lamprey, we're optimistic that the path forward that's been mapped out by DFO and the Commission for control efforts there, and the completion of the new barrier on Orwell Brook, we're confident that we'll get those numbers back down again. Right now, our assessment plans for this zone are intact in spite of budget cuts, so we plan on doing both juvenile and adult lake trout assessments and lake whitefish assessment on the North Shore. I should add that the Nature Conservancy is partnering with New York DEC and USGS to look at some of those historic bays along the South Shore where ciscos were known to spawn, so that work will continue, as well as looking at Chameau Bay, where we know that we have spawning phase ciscos, but we're not able to actually collect fry. So TNC will be doing some radio telemetry work there, try to get a better handle about what the habitats are there and what might be going in terms of recruitment bottlenecks there. And lastly, USGS, I think, still intends to do their deep water sculpin survey in the fall. And with that, we close the Lake Ontario Committee